Here are 3 myths about your eyes. Reading in the dark will damage your eyes. While reading in low light may cause eye fatigue and sometimes a headache, it won't cause lasting damage by reading in the dark. Vision just tends to weaken over time for most people, but also, why would you read in the dark? Eye drops can cure dry eyes. Dry eyes are a chronic condition in which the tear glands do not make enough tears. Using wetting drops will make the eyes feel better for a few minutes, but are not a cure for the condition. Glasses are harmful to your eyes. Refractive errors like nearsightedness, farsightedness, or astigmatism change as kids get older. This change is likely due to genetics and continues despite wearing glasses earlier or later, or more or less. Wearing glasses does not worsen your eyesight. Visit Dherbs.com and try out Dherbs Eye Kit to strengthen, nourish, and repair the eyes. See you next time.